welcome back to my channel. It's Becca. Today I'm going to be showing you how to put on fake lashes in about 5 easy steps. Before I started working at Sephora, I had no idea how to put on fake lashes, like none whatsoever. I found that this is the easiest way to put them on, just in my opinion, so I'm about to show you. I finally got my nails done after about 4 months after I slammed this finger in the door and my fingernail came off. So I'm happy about that. And also, before we get into the video, if you have trouble tanning like I do, because I'm just so pale, definitely recommend this Saint Tropez. This is the gradual tanning lotion, and I literally just put it on one arm, and the next day this one was so tan compared to this one, and I was like, you know what, I'm sold, I'm about to buy it. So I bought it. I haven't used it yet just because I just haven't had time working and everything, but I'm about to use it because your girl is really pale, as you can tell. Comes in a big bottle and it's only $25, so it's definitely worth it, and it stays on for about like 3 to 4 days, so definitely recommend trying that out. So let's get on with the video. So today I'm going to be using the House of Lashes. This is in the style Juliette, and you want to line your lids before you put on lashes, just because you have a thick lash band, you'll be able to see it. So I just did a little wing. I always use tweezers, or I use like a lash clamper. I guess that's what it's called, just because I always have fake nails on. They're just easier. Easiest way to realize like which eye they go on is the shortest part, like place up against your lid to see if it looks natural. This is the longest part of the lash, and if you put it on the other eye, it'll just look really weird. What you want to do is just bend the lash, because you want to break the glue that's on there already, and you just want to give it some like moving room, if that makes sense. Alright, and then I have this clamper. I honestly think I bought this like 2 years ago whenever I first tried putting on lashes, and it came with like these really cheap lashes. So I am taking the Tarteist Pro Lash Glue, and this is in the shade black, and then literally all I'm gonna do is just brush it on. And then wait about like 10 to 15 seconds for the glue to get tacky. If I'm doing my makeup, usually what I do is I just put on lipstick or put on my highlighter or something like that to just pass the time, so I'm not just sitting there waiting. I always wake up late because I like to sleep in. Your girl likes to sleep. Not today though. I woke up at around like 9 o'clock in the morning because I got woken up by the lawnmower that's currently outside of my window. They do it every Wednesday. They mow the lawns every Wednesday. I live in a townhouse, so I guess, I don't know. I don't think grass grows within a freaking week, but okay. Woke up around 9 o'clock. I told myself I'm gonna film this video because I've been slacking, and then I'm gonna go to the gym, and by the time I come home, Bae's gonna get off, and we're gonna hang out for about like 3 to 4 hours, and then I'm gonna go to work. My life. Alright, so now that it's dried down, you want to get a compact mirror. Oh, don't mind my messy vanity. So you want to get a compact mirror, like your lashes, like your top of your lashes, because this is just gonna be easier, so you can get it as close to your lash as possible. So what you want to do is just take it and stick it right in the middle, as close to your lash as you can. And then, since it's on there, you want to place the front part down, and then grab the back part, place it down, and then you want to wait until it dries a little bit. And then what I like to do is take my fingers and clamp both of them down together. Obviously this didn't stick. said. And then clamp both your real lashes and your fake lashes down like that. And I always get some lash glue on my fingers, and I usually end up wiping it off on my leg because I have no time to like just go wash my hands. So you can put mascara on before or after. I like doing it before because I usually decide if I want to put on lashes like 2 minutes before I'm supposed to go. So I always have mascara on. Alright, I'm gonna do the other lash and I'll be right back, guys. Alright guys, I am back. I have the other one on, and then I decided to put on my glasses because the girl's blind and she can't see. Every time I wear lashes that are really long, they keep hitting my glasses and I look like I'm actually like, I'm not obsessed with lashes, but I have a lash problem. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and I have 9 in my purse. I have 1 more in my purse, so I have all these. Yeah, it's bad. I actually like really like this shirt. It's a one piece, so don't mind my pants. So it's a one piece, and it's like a not a lime green, it's like a light green color, and I just paired it with a bralette. I bought this at Marshall's for about like $10. I bought a yellow one, like a mustard color one, and then I bought a black and white striped one. They're so soft, the material is so soft, and they come in different colors too, so I recommend definitely checking those out. And if you can see my dog Emma right there. Well, I hope you guys like this video and it definitely helps you out. Let me know if you want to see any more videos like this, like how to do your eyebrows in 5 steps, or how to do winged eyeliner or something like that. Or let me know of any more videos that you want to see in the future. I'm doing pretty good with uploading, in my opinion, working 2 jobs and never having time to sleep, as you can tell by my dark circles. I hope you guys have a nice day and see you in the next video. Bye guys.